If you've been trying to figure out how to detangle your knotted, kinky, curly hair, then you clicked on the right video. Stay tuned to see what product I use to detangle my hair a lot faster and more effectively. Hello, I'm Stephanie. Welcome to my channel. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you know when I upload my next video. So here you will see my hair has been in a high puff for 3 to 4 days. Yeah, it's just no, you can't do anything with that, sis. Don't even try. Yeah, no. So my hair has been super tangled and knotted because I have not been moisturizing it properly. So the first thing that I have to do is spray my hair with water just to be able to run my fingers through it. So the easiest way for me to detangle my hair is to separate it into 4 sections. Separating my hair into 4 sections just makes it easier to manage and make sure that I'm getting all the product throughout my hair. So this is the holy grail product. Oh my God, this is gonna change your life, girl. Look, just look. This is the product, okay? This is Shea Moisture Make It Last Wash and Go Primer. So this is from their coconut custard collection, and this product just makes my hair so soft. I can easily run my fingers through it. It gives me so much slip, and it's just amazing. Like, I've never been able to run my fingers through my hair like this without even having to put a comb through it. So as you saw, I did separate that section into a smaller section to apply the product, and I'm twisting it just to preserve or make a style or just to keep it out the way, okay? And I'm moving on to the next section. You see, can't get my fingers through it yet again, but this right here, this that splat.
Don't worry about it, sweetheart. This that splat. That's that splat right there.
No, but literally, like, look, I just want you guys to get a close-up of my texture and see how I could easily run my fingers through it, and it's just moisturized and it's conditioned and it's loving life. And also I wanted to show you a little bit of my texture just so you can see if I may have a similar hair texture to yours. The kitchen in the back is definitely a little bit looser than all the other strands in my head. So this is just me showing you guys what my hair texture is, and also showing you guys how this product defines my little curly curls and my coils in the back. And I'm also showing you how much hair I lost during this detangling process, which was not very much. So on this side, you guys are going to see the results of me wearing my hair in a puff without detangling or moisturizing or taking care of it in general, because I have some knots over here that I just had to rip out. And you'll see, I believe these are called like single strand knots or something like that. You can research that. But I have those for sure, and there were quite a few throughout this detangling process, and I was so upset that I had to rip those strands out, girl. Oh Jesus, you could see it in my face. I just look disappointed in myself. Look at the eyes. Ooh, you can't be mad at nobody but yourself, homegirl. You can't be mad at nobody but yourself. But once again, the product that I used was really helpful with detangling, because I usually lose so much hair during the detangling process, but I didn't lose much this time, so that's great. Even with all those knots, I did not lose much hair. So that's always the goal. Want to try to maintain the moisture in the ends and keep our hair moisturized and healthy, and not dry and brittle and knotted like this. Oh Jesus. Look at them. Oh my God. Oh, look at that. Oh my God. Wow. Oh my God. Oh my God. I cannot believe. I'm disappointed just looking at it. I can't believe myself. I'm a lazy natural. I will admit it. I am lazy, but water is my friend. So I make sure I spray my hair down with water before I apply this product to each section of my hair. So let me tell you guys a little bit about the product itself. This product is supposed to be for wash and goes. So it's supposed to work as like a primer for your gels when you are doing a wash and go. But with my hair type, I don't do that. I'm not a wash and go girl. So I did apply this one day just out of curiosity of what it would do to my curls, and I found out that it works as a wonderful detangler. So this also does say on the back of the bottle that it can be used as pre-poo for super easily detangling. And I definitely agree with that, because I prefer to use this before shampooing. I like to section my hair off just as I am doing in this video, and then I hop in the shower and rinse this out, shampoo and condition in each section. So this is definitely great for pre-pooing. And I also say that this is good for that because I did notice some flaking the last time I used this product. I had a little bit of white crunchies in my hair, which was not great. It wasn't horrible, but it's something that I noticed. And I also mixed this product with a Shea Moisture coconut and hibiscus. Look, I can't even say the word. Coconut and hibiscus moisturizer. So maybe the mixture of the two products might have caused the flaking, because I didn't notice flaking this time around. But that's just a heads up for you guys. Yeah, this is really a great product for defining curl patterns and textures, especially if you have a looser curl pattern than mine. I'm sure this will definitely make your curls pop. But I don't really care for my curls to pop or my coils to coil and bounce around. I don't really do that. I just like to have my hair in a little protective style. So this is a great product for me to use. So there we go. All my sections are done. And she is moisturized, honey. You see that? She is moisturized, came through dripping in moisture. Yes. And she detangled, honey. Okay. This took me about 45 minutes. It usually takes me well over that. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Again, make sure you are subscribed for more content like this. Hit that notifications bell so that you can be notified when I upload my videos every Tuesday. And like this video if you like it, and share it. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace and love.